At 24, here's meteorologist Tom DeVecchio, your weather authority.
It's a muggy one out there, no doubt about it. As we check things out on our Bob Ferrando Ford World Skycam, we're seeing some clouds develop and getting a little dark out there in Girard. We see some somewhat darker clouds forming now. Over the past 2 days, over the weekend, we had what's called a nice cap on the atmosphere, and that capped all that heat from really moving up to give us those showers and storms. Today, though, the cap is not nearly as strong, and with it, we're looking at some showers and some embedded thunderstorms forming here. And you can see one batch here near the Corey area, but here's a nice little line forming with the lake breeze right now through Ashtabula. This is all heavy rain, is not severe at this time, and some of these storms, because they have so much water, they may cause some locally gusty winds. We don't think any will get severe, but we'll certainly watch those for you. Torrential downpours are a good possibility, though, as these storms develop there in Ohio. Others could develop here just about anywhere along that lake breeze or any other convergence zones that develop during the afternoon. So even though it's in Ohio for now, others could form here within the next hour across most of the region. And we'll have some torrential downpours for those that do occur, along with maybe some gusty winds. We'll keep it warm and muggy for much of this week. So the heat that started late last week will continue for much of this week. Tree, grass, weed, pollens on the low side, mold spores in the moderate range. Thank you, Dr. Gallagher, for those numbers. There's a bit of a lake breeze component here. The wind enough off the lake. Dr. Tom Naga appeared at 80 for Penn State Barron at 89, 81 for Joe Northeast. Many of weather watchers are putting clouds developing here. And that should keep most of us from getting to 90, though again, Penn State Barron is close. Jacob out in Girard at 87, 83 at the Borough, 84 Corey, 84 also in Summit. We have low 80s here with at least some clouds from Rockdale Township through Westmead. Tidioute 75, Gary and Saybrook clouds and 84. A lot of moisture here. Dew points up there, lower to mid 70s, getting a little higher here, and that's why we're thinking that there's enough juice there. Here's one storm that formed earlier. Here's the lake breeze clouds. Watch as they form, especially in the past hour. Again, along that lake breeze, that should probably move along Erie County as well for the balance of the afternoon. Now, the threat of storms will be there through early this evening. Then, as things calm down, most of the rain will calm down as well for later on tonight. Tomorrow, the winds go northeast, may give a brief one-day respite from the heat here in Erie, but still some storms inland before the heat comes back in for July 4th. Out in the lake, winds would be southwest to west-southwest, 5 to 15. Waves would be 2 feet or less. Watch for those storms through the afternoon. So along the lake shore, chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s, but low 80s along the lake front. On the inland side, I think we'll see some scattered showers and storms, some with some real good downpours and some gusty winds, highs in the upper 80s. Similar forecast for those of you in the Chautauqua-Allegheny area for later on in the afternoon. The threat of storms continues mainly in the evening, still warm and muggy. Scattered storms around for tomorrow. Low 80s in Erie with the wind off the lake, mid to upper 80s elsewhere. And from your weather authority, we're going to have some possible showers and storms as we head on toward Wednesday and into Thursday. Things get cooler on Friday. Get the latest updates of that forecast anytime. Head to our website, yourerie.com.